Ang Adventures Innovation Center, officially we started last September 2024. So because this is one of the TBIs funded by the DOST, Philippine Council for Industry, Energy and Emerging Technology Research and Development. So
PSURD.
DOST PSURD, yes. Prior to that, meron naman din mga ginagawa si Ateneo de Davao when it comes to having a techno hub, a TBI. Pero it was only last year when we received the funding from DOST PSURD that it was formalized as an innovation center of the Ateneo de Davao University. Of course, being one of the HIRIT centers funded by DOST, one of our main function is actually on technology business incubation. That means we have to incubate startups primarily here in Davao City. So it means na hindi lang from Ateneo de Davao University dapat ang startups namin. So mas open kami to any startup within within the Davao City,
Davao
even
City.
within
Davao
the
region.
Philippines.
Within the
Yeah.
Philippines.
Yes, so kasi we have a very unique banner program dito sa Adventures Innovation Center kasi we're only center in the country that is incubating or at least ang primary focus is aerospace technology and robotics application.